have this plan to take videos of church bells ringing all over the city.
Of Jew bells ringing all over the city?
Shut up. No, because I have one from Prague at noon.
I guess that is coming from that one, right?
Yeah.
It's so weird.
Because there's church bells outside of Paul's apartment too.
Yeah. I know. What I understand is that that's a Jew bell.
Oh, really?
I know that building right there is like a sit building. So.
It doesn't look like a Jewish. It doesn't look like a synagogue at all.
Yeah.
I don't think
know.
it is.
I don't know what a Hasidic synagogue looks like.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Well, those are still crosses, though.
There are. They're not.
I think it's an Orthodox, like Russian Orthodox Christian church.
I don't know.
Because it's very Russian. I mean the roofs and what. Oh, hey there.
Maybe these are different bells than the last time, because it was like a Jewish kid that told me that, so I figured he sort of knew what he was talking about.
Yeah. Wow, they ring for a while.
Would there be a reason that the Orthodox would be ringing bells on Saturday night?
I wouldn't know.
It's only...
well, it's their holy day.
For Catholics.
Maybe there's... Oh, you mean Christians?
Yeah.
Yeah, for Christians, I don't know. I know that Paul's... Whatever church is near Paul, it's every day at 6.
Yeah.
I don't know about the weekends.
Maybe it's something to do with that then. Maybe the kid that told me is a retard. But I still like to think that that's what happens on Friday nights because it's really funny.